What's up, you guys? Today we got the FJ Cruiser here, and we did do an LED mod on this guy. If you want to do that, check out my videos. We did put like a clear white LED bulb on this, but today we got a cabin filter, part number right there. We got an engine air filter, part number right there. Delco, that's what we're using here, and this is PTC, nothing fancy. But we're gonna replace air filter and cabin filter, something you could do yourself and save yourself a good 80 bucks. Anyways, let's get into the vehicle. So to replace a cabin filter and engine filter on this vehicle, probably take you no more than 5 minutes. But let's start off with the engine air filter. Right here is your housing. You pop this retainer, this, and there should be one back here. And you got this wiring here, so you don't want to yank too much on it. And you're simply gonna pull out these filters, and I can see a lot of dirt on this, so this gotta go. So what we're gonna do is you always want to look inside. If there's a lot of leaves and dirt and debris, this one looks pretty good, so we don't touch it. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out a new filter from this box, and let's help ourselves here. And look at you, there you go, same looking filter. So we're gonna lift this lid up. So simply I'm gonna hold it with one hand, and we're gonna slip this filter in. Simply make sure it sits properly, and after that all you need to do is guide this housing right back on to the way it was. Make sure it doesn't pinch like that, and once you have it on, you should be able to put these retainers on. Make sure you get all four. Bada bing, bada boom. Just don't yank on these cables, so just go enough that you need. Anyways, that took us probably 2 minutes. We're gonna go inside now, and inside the vehicle. Oh, it's locked. Let me unlock it. Still working on the LEDs. And simply unlock it. Let's come around. Hey, door's gonna keep beeping. Come back around this way, and right in here, let's move this radio out of the way. Right under here you have a glove box with a lot of stuff in there, and we don't want to drop all this crazy stuff. Oh, look at this, we got a letter FJ Cruiser. All right, let's put these glasses to the side. And most of this stuff might just fall down, but let's get everything as much as we can. Now we got spark plugs in here. Maybe the customer did change the plugs. I was going to talk to him about that, but all this stuff has to come out. It's good enough. Let's pop this. Okay, you see how the glove box came down? Is because of this guy. So make sure you put that, you want to squeeze this guy, and then you want to yank on this, and this guy falls apart, but it's supposed to be stuck right there. We're going to squeeze this side and the opposite side. Both sides get squeezed, and right in here you have a tray here. So you want to squeeze on this side and the opposite side. The tray comes right out. There's our cabin filter. Doesn't look so good. Okay, there is an arrow. You see this arrow here? It says up. That's just indicating face the filter up. So what I want to do is, you want to get this filter out of this housing, and you're going to get it back in the same way we took off. Same way, okay? So there should be an arrow here somewhere on this old one. Okay, airflow. Okay, this was put in the wrong way because the airflow is going down. Okay, since the leaf gets stuck, airflow is down. Okay, so this was put in the wrong way. We're gonna fix it up. It just arrow says up. That doesn't mean the airflow is going up, because then all the leaves will be stuck underneath here. That's just a sign. I don't know. There's a confusion. We've been having this confusion for a long time. So let me get the new filter. Here's our new filter. So what you want to do is you want to slip one side in just like we took off, and the other side you want to make it go in properly. Make sure there's no areas left loose so nothing can get around. Okay, slip it in, get it in together. We're gonna walk back to the vehicle on the opposite side, and simply gonna take this guy and you stick it right in there and it should click right in. Very simple. This little plunger here goes in here. If it comes off, make sure it has 2 steps, so make sure you get it back on the same spot. And there we have it. After that, you want to take your glove box, stick it right back in, and okay, this thing keeps coming off, so I'm gonna fix this up. So get both ends in. There you go, and your glove box should come down slowly like that. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you can do this yourself and save yourself some money. Anyway, see you guys on the next one.